United 152 for 5, and reply Mysore Warriors, they are tottering 112 for 4. They still require 41 runs in 2 overs, and it won't be easy. And that is Brajesh Patel, the secretary of KSCA. Well, a wild swing over there. Should be a bye. Is it a bye? Oh yes, it is a bye. What they need is a big hits right now. Beating the bat, beating the keeper. So far, Sabarwal, the captain, has done a very good job. Has marshaled his resources very well. KSC organizers over there will be very happy the way tournament is being conducted. Up in the air this time, it's a 6. Yes, it's a 6, and Verma, well, he is holding the front. He's a lone sentinel over there, but then not giving up. He wants to do it for his side, creating some room for himself, going over that cover region. Not an easy shot to play when there's a man out there, but he times them so well. Full toss on this occasion. There's a man out there. It's a 6.
Very much alive in this game. That's the single.
A good ball, one good ball.
149 plus 1. 150. 6 is in the tournament.
Will pick a 1. Will pick 2. That's good running. Can they make it? Well, the umpire is going upstairs. Seems to be tight. We will see that.
Well, the reaction from Rohit Sabarwal gave me the impression that the batsman is home. Because as soon as he had removed the bails, he was looking at the fielder and asking him to hurry things up, that he's taken too much time to put in the throw. And that reaction gave it away.
Yes, that reaction said it all. He's home. He is home. Had the throw been accurate, things would have been different. I think it will be not out. Umpire Shavir Tarapur, the third umpire for this game, says not out. And it is not out. 26 runs needed in 8 balls. This over of Vijayanth Yadav has got Warriors back into the game. Some fantastic shot selection by Verma. Superb shots to the cover. Superb shot through mid-wicket area. And the way he has responded to a situation has been amazing. This time he bowls up. There's a man there at long on. Will be just a single. One more ball left for the 19th over to finish.
And we need a boundary here, Amit, because 25 required of 7. If he can really hit a big one here, Bharat, then about 18, 19 in the last over. This delivery is going to be a very important and a very crucial one.
Up in the air, and will clear. It's a 6. It's a mighty one. Well, they're making it count. 151 sixes in this tournament up till now. 134 for 4.
The biggest football celebration continues on 6 with UEFA Euro qualifiers. Don't miss an appointment with your favorite stars. As 53 nations compete to be one of the elite teams at UEFA Euro 2016 France. Qualifiers for UEFA Euro 2016. Live and exclusive only on 6.
This is getting very interesting over here. Mysore Warriors need 19 runs to win off last over. And that is because this man on your screen, Verma, has done a fantastic job. 66 runs of just 47 deliveries. Well, he scoops that one. Can he get that boundary? Well, good effort. Good effort by More there. Fantastic cricket by Verma up till now. He's holding the strike with himself. They ran 2. Creating some room for himself. He was looking for that boundary. Every ball counts. Good effort. Very good effort by the United fielder also. Fielding has been outstanding in this game up till now by United. Full toss. Will that be a boundary? It is a boundary. Well, it's a pressure time, and Akshay, he's not able to hold that. And look at that. Warrior camp, they are happy. They needed this boundary and they got it. Fantastic shot. It was a low full toss. But then Bharat guided that one towards that point region. Not an easy shot to play. Anything can happen in T20. That's what we have seen in this game up till now. Just 12 runs needed in 4 balls. 31 balls, 48 runs over there, and the strike rate 154.84. It's amazing. Well, there's a man there. Will they run 2? Good throw towards the keeper. And they did well to say no. 11 runs of 3 balls. I think if they get a 6 of this delivery, it'll be very good. It'll release a lot of pressure out of them. Everybody on his toes over here. The entire stadium is erupting. They are enjoying out here. And a lot of pressure on this young man, Akshay. Look at that Warrior camp. In a pensive mood a while before, and now there's some hope. Full toss. Will that be a boundary? There's a man there. He stops that one. Fantastic fielding, but they make it 2. 2 balls left. Equation 9 runs now. Fielding effort has been superb. The way the United fielders have thrown their body and stopped those boundaries. Siddharth on that occasion, sliding, stopping that boundary, giving everything. 9 runs needed of 2 balls. Not so easy. 1 wicket is required. They require 1 wicket right now. And let's see what it is going to be. Fuller, and they will just get 2. They'll just get 2. Very good effort by Udit Patel over there. And the umpire goes on to the 3rd umpire. It was struck very hard. Udit Patel putting his hand to that, stopping a certain boundary. Well, is he in or is he out? He is out. He is out. And that's what I was talking about, their fielding efforts. They're not willing to give it up at any point of time. There's the strength of United team. Bangalore United, such a good side. And he's out. He's being given out. What a big blow for Warriors at this point of time. They were so close, but yet so far. Bharat goes for 49, 145 for 5. One ball left, 8 runs required. Anything can happen in this game. Can be a no ball. And if it's a no ball, then Warriors can win the game. Just keep it right. Without bowling a no ball or a white ball, then United will win the game so easily. That was a run out that we saw.